Hi guys, Maxi again. Today I want to show you healthy baking for kids. I'm going to bake healthy biscuits with oats. For this we need oats, bananas, raisins, dried mango, dried apricots, apple, cinnamon and chia seeds, and some seeds. First we need a few bananas. I use 3 bananas because they're small. Yeah. Oh, I love doing that. All done. Push the bananas aside and add the oats in our bowl. Yeah, it's raining oat rain. I got some raisins here and some cranberries. I love cranberries. Into the bowl with oats. Oats and raisin rain. I can't stop it, you sing it. Now I need to mix it up. Look, it's like Sour Patches there with sugar on. And with oats, it's so cool. It's like a blending machine. I got some apricots here. I'm gonna cut them up, yeah? Then I'm gonna add them to the bowl. Let's cut that bit off. 2 eyes. And a smiley face. Now you guys wonder what I'm doing. I'm doing a smiley face. Look at that. Oh, I cut the apricot. Now I'm going to pour it into the bowl. Now I mix it all up. Cutting dried mango is hard. So maybe ask a parent to help you. I asked my mummy to help me. And we add this to our bowl as well. Oh, and mix it again. If you want, you can add seeds, chia seeds, and cinnamon. I'm going to put a lot because I like it. But you don't really have to add seeds, but I really like it. Now let's add a little bit of chia seeds. And then a little bit of cinnamon. Oopsie. Now let's add a little bit of cinnamon. Just maybe half of a spoon. I think that's enough. That's enough for you. And for us. And mix it again. Where's the cinnamon and chia seeds? I can see a little bit of chia seeds on the side of the bowl. Look. Right there's a little bit of chia seeds. Now we add the bananas. Yeah. And mix it again. Oh, it makes that sound when you do that. It's sticky. You have to mix it very well to cover all the oats with banana. To make our baking healthier, we add a bit of apple. I asked my mummy to help me. Hello. I add the apple into the bowl. And stir it. The apple looks a bit like cheese. Mama, help me. Thank you. This is the healthy version, but if you want to make it a bit sweeter, you can add honey or syrup. Now we put it on a tray with baking paper. Shape it how you want it. I want to make balls. Yeah. Put the oven at 200 degrees. Now we put it in the oven. I asked my mum to help me. Now we wait for 10 to 15 minutes. And that's what they look like when they're done. So yummy. And they're very healthy. See you in my next video.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye. If you like this video, please hit the like button and click subscribe.